Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today topic I am going to explain quadratic equation, the important points. So here in this video I am going to explain only the introduction for this quadratic equation. So this is a very important chapter. In this chapter you will be getting around 8 mark in the board exam. So let me explain. First you should know about what is the difference between the equation and the expression. So equation means we will be having equal sign, but expression we won't have the equal sign. This is the main difference between equation and expression. Here quadratic equation. Quadratic means the degree should be, first point, degree of the equation is 2. The degree of the equation should be 2. Then only it is known as quadratic equation. The general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See here, the degree is 2. That means the highest power. If the highest power is 2, then the equation is known as quadratic equation. The general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are the integers. It may be a positive number, it may be a negative number. Here x is the variable. Is it clear children? Next we are going to see the roots of the quadratic equation. What do you mean by roots? See here, if x square, that means for a quadratic equation there will be 2 answers. That means the solution will be 2. That means 2 values will be there for x value. So here x square means how many solution you will be getting? 2 solution. Suppose if it is cubic equation, cubic means the degree will be 3. So how many solution will be getting? 3 solution will be getting. Same way here roots of the quadratic equation is nothing but the solution of the quadratic equation. So the solutions of the quadratic equation be 2 answers. Is it clear children? So next, solution of the quadratic equation can be find out by 3 methods. Here first one is factorization method. Already you have seen in smaller classes, that is from 6th onwards you will be using this factorization method. Next formula method, then completing square method. Factorization method you will be using the factors. So to find out the x value, because x is the variable, to find out the x value we will be using factorization method. Here next formula method. Here formula method, the formula to find out x value is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by the whole thing divided by 2a, where a, b, c are the integers of the quadratic equation. So that we can find out using the formula method, we can find out x value. So the formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then the another one method is completing square method. Here also we will make a perfect square to find out the x value. So this is another method to find out the solution of a quadratic equation. Then comes the discriminant. What do you mean by discriminant? Discriminant formula d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is the formula for the discriminant. Discriminant is nothing but the nature of the root. Nature of the roots. So if d, that is discriminant, if d is equal to 0, if d value, after substituting the value in this formula b square minus 4ac, if you substitute, if the answer is 0, then the roots are equal. Is it clear children? Suppose if the discriminant value is greater than 0, then the roots are real and imaginary. Suppose if the discriminant is less than 0, that means negative number. If the discriminant is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. So in this way we can find the nature of the root. These are the important point. You should keep it in your mind before starting this quadratic equation exercise. Is it clear, children?